Hello friends, you are very welcome to this presentation. I'm Solve Reason, your presenter. In this presentation, we will be considering how we can put this drawing inside of this title block using the help of the Align tool. If I should click in this modify panel, in the drop down menu, you see this tool right away. This is Align tool, alright? So that is the tool we are going to be using to put all of this drawing inside of this title block. For instance, if you want to superimpose the title block over this drawing, I highlight all of the title block, then I move it over the drawing. See, the title block is small, but with the help of an Align tool, we'll be able to fit in all of this drawing inside of this title block without changing the scale of this drawing. You can see the scale is 1:25 right away. But before we proceed into the main business of the day, I want to take you to my YouTube channel. In the YouTube channel, type provision, just type Solve Reason, click on the search, and my channel will come up just like this. Okay, so there are a lot of contents I have here. All right, I think this content will be useful to you. If you want to practice how to use any of these softwares and the subsequent softwares I'm going to be using, I'm going to be doing a video lesson on. You can always find them on this channel. The only way you can stay tuned is to click on the red subscribe button. Once you subscribe, you will be updated anytime I upload a new video. I do new videos every week, sometimes 2 videos, sometimes 3, sometimes 1 every week. And so click on the red subscribe button and hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video on any of these civil engineering softwares. All right, and so straight away, let us go back to AutoCAD as we dive into the lesson. All right, so at first, we need to provide a rectangle that will cover the whole of this drawing. So you come to this draw panel, all right, and click on this rectangle right away. Select that point and then move your hand towards the opposite side and then select it to have a rectangle over this drawing. Okay, so you can check your border offset from the drawing if it is okay. If the border offset is okay, if it is not okay, you can also adjust the border offset. You can adjust it just like this. All right, just like that. So once this is okay by you, all right, so we proceed. You just have to select the title block. You want to fit the drawing inside. Select all of that. Okay. On the keyboard, type Align. You can see it there. Okay. AL shortcut. Select that. So once you select it, you have to first of all specify the source point. So this is the source point. This point is my source point. Okay. Pick right there. Then the destination point is this point. You pick that. Then you have to specify the second source point. The second source point is this point. This one, pick that. Then the destination point is going to be this. So after I must have done with that, let's specify the third source point. You have to just right click and then click on yes. Okay. Click on yes. All right. So once you click on yes, you can see the title block has fit into the drawings. Okay, you can see. So for this line now, the rectangle we drew, you just have to delete that. Okay, and then you have this. If you check the scale, nothing happened to it. The scale of the drawing is intact. It's just the title block that is being adjusted to fit into the drawing successfully. And this is how you can use an Align tools to put your drawing inside of your title block, which is what I normally do each time I want to print my drawing successfully, both in the model space and the layer space. All right, so this works effectively. Don't forget to subscribe in order for you to stay tuned. Each time I upload lesson of this kind, you get notified. As I bring the lesson to a close, see you in the next advanced lesson of this kind. Stay tuned and bye for now.